Hello friends, I am Amol Sonone. In this video, we'll see how to find composition of permutations. First, we'll see what is meant by composition of functions. Composition of functions. That's its definition. Let f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c. Means here we have two functions f and g. F is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c. Then composition of functions f and g is denoted by the symbol g naught f. G naught f and g naught f is a function from a to c defined as g naught f of x is equal to g of f of x. So for example, suppose we have a set A. We have a set A which contains elements 1 to 3. Set B which contains elements P, Q, R, S, and F is a function from A to B such that 1 maps to Q, suppose 2 maps to R, and 3 maps to Q. See here F is a function from A to B. And suppose we have a function G from set B to set C. Suppose set A is A, B, C, D, and G is a function from set B to C, such that G of P is suppose D, G of Q is suppose B, G of R is suppose again D, and G of S is suppose it is C. We have two functions, function F from set A to B and function G from set B to C. Then the composition of functions f and g is denoted by symbol g naught f, and g naught f is a function from set A. G naught f is a function from set A to set G naught f is a function from set A to set C, which is defined as g naught f of x equal to g of f of x. Let's see what is function g naught f. we are saying that G naught f is a function from set A to set C. Set A contains three elements 1 to 3. Set C contains elements A, B, C, D. Let's see what is function G naught f. What is G naught f of 1? By definition, it is G of f of 1. But what is f of 1? F of 1 is Q. And what? So now we have G of Q. And what is G of Q? G of Q is B. Means under this function G naught f, 1 maps to B. What is G naught f of 2? By definition, it is G of f of 2. F of 2 is S, and G of S is C. Means under this function 2 maps to C. And what is G naught f of 3? It is G of f of 3. And f of 3 is Q. And G of Q is B. Means under function G naught f, 3 maps to B. And we have seen in earlier video, we have seen permutation is nothing but a function, particular type of function which is 1 1 and onto. Let's see how to find a composition of two permutations. Let's set A is 1 2 3 4. So F is equal to the permutation 1 2 3 4, permutation of set 1 2 3 4, in which 1 maps to 2, 2 maps to 3, 3 maps to 4, and 4 maps to 1. And permutation GS 1 maps to 4, 2 maps to 1, 3 maps to 3, and 4 maps to 2. So you can see that F and G are permutations of set A. Set A containing elements 1 2 3 4. Let's see. Find what is permutation G naught F. Here I am writing permutation G, which is this permutation, and permutation F. We know that definition of composition of function G naught F of X is nothing but G of F of X. we are going to write a permutation G naught f. Okay. See, G naught f of x is equal to G of f of x. Now we want G naught f of 1. G naught f of 1 is equal to G of f of 1. But f of 1 is 2 and G of 2 is 1. Means under function G naught f, 1 maps to 1. What is G naught f of 2? G naught f of 2 is G of f of 2. F of 2 is 3. F of 2 is 3 and G of 3 is 3. Means under function G naught f, 2 maps to 3. G naught f of 3 is equal to G of f of 3. F of 3 is 4 and G of 4 is 2. And G naught f of 4 is G of f of 4. F of 4 is 1 and G of 1 is 4. This is permutation G naught f. Here, since domain and codomain of both functions f and g are same, we can find the f naught g is also. What is f? 2, 3, 4, 1, and one function g is 4, 1, 3, 2. Okay. And by definition, f naught g of x is equal to f of g of x. And here we want function f naught g. F naught g of 1 is equal to f of g of 1. G of 1 is 4 and f of 4 is 1. Okay. F naught g of 2 is equal to f of g of 2. G of 2 is 1 and f of 1 is 2. Okay. F naught g of 3 is equal to f of g of 3. G of 3 is 3. G of 3 is 3 and f of 3 is 4. And f naught g of 4 is equal to f of g of 4. G of 4 is 2 and f of 2 is 3. Yes. See, note that we know that two functions are equal if and only if images of all elements are equal under that two functions. But here you can see that g naught f of 2 is 3 and f naught g of 2 is 2, right? Means here images of some elements under function g naught f and function f naught g are not equal. Therefore, we can conclude that g naught f is not equal to f naught g. It means composition of function you can say permutations is not commutative. Okay. Hmm. Suppose we have a some non-empty set A. A question is composition of any two permutations of A permutation of A. It means if you take composition of any two permutations of A, is it a permutation of A? Means we have seen F and G are permutations of set A. See, we got G naught F is also one on an onto function from A to A. Means G naught F is permutation of A, and F naught G is also one and onto function. Means F naught G is also a permutation of A. Means in general, can we say that composition of any two permutations of A is again a permutation of A, and the answer of this question is yes. Composition of any two permutations of A is again a permutation of A. Let's prove it. Let F and G be any two permutations of set A. We claim that G naught F is a permutation of A. That means we have to prove that G naught F is a function from A to A. G naught F is 1 1 and onto function from A to A. First we prove that G naught F is 1 1 function. Suppose G naught F of x1 is equal to G naught F of x2 for x1 and x2 belongs to domain set A, right? By definition of composition of function, G naught F of x1 is equal to G of f of x1, and G of f of x2 is G of f of x2. But we have G's permutation means G is 1 1 function. Since G is 1 1 function, G of f of x1 is f of x1, and G of since G is 1 1 function, and we have G of f of x1 equal to G of f of x2, f of x1 must be equal to f of x2 since G is 1 1. And since f is 1 1, x1 must be equal to x2. Therefore, G naught f is 1 1 function. Okay. Let's prove that G naught f is onto function. Let y is any element of codomain of G naught f. Since G is permutation, G is onto function, then there exists element Z belongs to A, such that G of Z is equal to Y, since G is onto. Now we have Z is element of A, and since f is a function from A to A and f is also onto, there exists some element x belongs to A, such that f of x is equal to Z. We got this since f is onto, means we have G of Z is equal to Y and f of x is equal to Z. Therefore, by putting value of Z, here, we will get G of f of x is equal to Y. And by definition of composition of function, we can write G naught f of x is equal to Y. Means for any y belongs to A, we have x belongs to A, such that G naught f of x equal to Y is for every element of codomain. There is element in domain under function G naught f, such that G naught f of x equal to Y. Therefore, G naught f is onto function. And hence, G naught f is a permutation. And hence, the composition of any two permutations of A is again a permutation of A. Okay. Means we can note that for any f and g belongs to set Sn, G naught f, or you can say f naught g, doesn't matter. G naught f is element of Sn. That means we can conclude that composition of functions is a binary operation on Sn. Let's find composition of all elements of S3. First, we write all elements of S3. We know that if set A is equal to suppose 1 2 3, then S3 is equal to row 1 1 2 3 1 2 3. I am giving names to elements of S3. Row 2 is equal to a permutation in which 1 maps to 2, 2 maps to 3, 3 maps to 1. Row 3 is equal to permutation in which 1 maps to 3, 2 maps to 1, 2 maps to 1, and 3 maps to 2. Mu1 is equal to permutation in which 1 maps to 1, 2 maps to 3, 3 maps to 2. Mu2 is a permutation in which 2 maps to 2, 1 maps to 3, 3 maps to 2. Mu3 is a permutation in which 3 maps to 3, 1 maps to 2, and 2 maps to 1. Okay. Let's consider a composition table of S3. First, we write all elements of S3. Row 1, row 2, row 3, mu1, mu2, mu3. Row 1, row 2, row 3, mu1, mu2, mu3. Okay. So you can see that since row 1 is identity permutation, if you take its any, if it takes a composition of row 1 is with any permutation, we'll get that permutation only. Means row 1, and here we are taking operation row 1. See, it means row 1 composition row 1 is row 1. Row 1 composition row 2 is row 2. Row 1 composition row 3 is row 3. Row 1 composition mu1 is mu1. Row 1 composition mu2 is mu2. Row 1 composition mu3 is mu3. And similarly, row 2 composition row 1 is row 2. Row 3 composition row 1 is row 3. Mu1 composition row 1 is mu1. Mu2 composition row 1 is mu2, and row 3 composition row 1 is mu3. We got this entries since Row 1 is identity permutation. Okay, let's see what is row 2 composition. Row 2, see under the function row 2, under function row 2, 1 maps to 2, right? See, we are finding row 2 composition, row 2 composition, row 2. Okay, and here under function row 2, 1 maps to 2 and 2 maps to 3. Therefore in row 2 composition, row 2, 1 maps to 3, right? 2 maps in row 2, 2 maps to 3 and 3 maps to 1. So under row 2 composition, row 2, 2 maps to 1 and 3 maps to 1 and 1 maps to 3. So under composition row 2 composition and under permutation row 2 composition, row 2, 3 maps to 2, and means row 2 composition, row 2 is nothing but row 3. It is row 3. You can check that row 2 composition, row 3 is row 1. What is row 2 composition mu 1? Row 2 composition mu 1. Row 2 composition mu 1. See, in mu 1, 1 maps to 1, and row 2, 1 maps to 2. So in row 2 composition mu 1, 1 maps to 2. Mu 1, 2 maps to 3, and row 2, 3 maps to 1. So under composition row 2 maps, row 2 composition mu 1, 2 maps to 1. See, you can see that row 2 composition mu 1 is mu 3. Yes. Let's find row 2 composition mu 2. Under mu 2, 1 maps to 3. Under row 2, 3 maps to 1. Under mu 2, 2 maps to 2. Under row 2, 2 maps to 3. Under row 2, 3 maps to 2. Under mu 2, 3 maps to 2. Under row 2, 2 maps to 3. Okay. We are finding row 2 composition mu 2. 1 maps to 3, 3 maps to 1. 2 maps to 2, 2 maps to 3, and 3 maps to 2. So I am writing, see, we have done one mistake. Mu 2 is, yeah, there should be 1. Yeah. 3 maps to 1 and 1 maps to 2. Yeah. Row 2 composition mu 2 is mu 1. Yes, it is mu 1. You can check that row 2 composition mu 3 is mu 2. Similarly, you can check that row 3 composition row 2 is row 1. Row 3 composition row 3 is row 2. Row 3 composition mu 1 is mu 2. Row 3 composition mu 2 is mu 3, and row 3 composition mu 3 is mu 1. Similarly, you can verify that mu 1 composition row 2 is mu 2. Mu 1 composition row 3 is mu 3. Mu 1 composition mu 1 is row 1. Mu 1 composition mu 2 is row 2. Mu 1 composition mu 3 is row 3. mu2 composition row 2 is mu3, mu2 composition row 3 is mu1, mu2 composition mu1 is row 3, mu2 composition mu2 is row 1, and mu2 composition mu3 is row 2, mu3 composition row 2 is mu1, mu3 composition row 3 is mu2, mu3 composition mu1 is row 2, mu3 composition mu2 is row 3, and mu3 composition mu3 is row 1. Okay. Okay, I'm stopping the video. In the next video, we'll see what is meant by cyclic permutation. Okay, thanks for watching the video.